Look at this huge package that I just got in the mail from Fenty Hair. Like, what? This is crazy. Thank you so much for sending me this. I am literally so shocked to be receiving this huge box. So thank you so much, Rihanna. Thank you. I actually used all the products already, so I'm gonna be telling you guys my thoughts on all the products. So let's get right into it. I already unboxed this. This came in like this crazy packaging. They sent me their entire hairline. So they sent me all the products. They sent me the shampoo, conditioner, mask. They sent me some styling products. So I'm going to be going through all of them today. I actually only tried the ones for curly hair today, but I am going to be doing another video trying the other products for a blowout. So stay tuned because that's coming right after this video. So the first product that I used in the shower was the Fenty Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. By the way, most of these products are made to repair hair over time, which is super nice because my hair has been a little bit damaged, especially my curls. And as you can see, I'm trying to like curl my hair a little bit more now in the summer like I usually do. I got a little trim and my curls are actually bouncing back, so that's super exciting. But let's just talk about the packaging of these products. They are so nice and they look so expensive, and they're not that expensive. They're actually maybe like $30 each. It depends. This really does feel amazing in the shower. I mean, this lathered super well and it really did moisturize my hair super well. So yeah, I'm very excited to be using this. This is supposed to hydrate but also make your hair healthier and stronger over time. The packaging on all the products are like super nice, and they all have like the same like theme going on. You guys will see what I'm talking about later. But the conditioner also looks very similar to the shampoo. I used the conditioner right after. This is the Fenty Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. This is like a metal bottle. It's so nice. I love the packaging. But anyways, it's super moisturizing as well, and this detangled my curly hair so quickly in the shower. And yeah, I just put this on my hair, detangled my hair, and then rinse. This is supposed to defrizz, repair, prevent damage, and split ends. Used these two in the shower, and then I actually continued my shower routine with a nice moisturizing mask because my curls really need it. Like I said, I've had like a little bit of heat damage on my hair, so giving my hair a little bit of a break from the heat, but also just trying to moisturize it and repair as I go. I use this mask in the shower. This is the Fenty Hair, the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So as you can see, they all have like this cool like detail in the packaging. I absolutely love it. And when you open this, I used a pretty good amount, by the way, but you don't have to use that much. I mean, a little bit goes such a long way with this product. It is so rich and so like thick. It's amazing. But the packaging, guys, is so cute. This is also going to moisturize your hair and repair damage over time. So super excited to be using this more. This is very rich and thick. I really like the consistency of this and it felt amazing on my hair. So for those wondering what I'm doing in this bathroom, this is actually my parents' bathroom, and right now my husband and I are in the process of moving. So my life has been a little bit hectic lately. So we're basically kind of like moving twice, which kind of sucks because we sold our house and now we're just waiting to close on the other house. But yeah, quick life update. That's why I'm in this bathroom, which is a little bit different than like my normal bathroom, which I won't be filming in anymore because I moved. But I'm moving to a very nice house that I'm super excited about. It's a little bit bigger, so yeah, we just wanted more space. I'll keep you guys posted with everything. So for now, I will be filming in this bathroom, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. By the way, the package also brought these like magazines, and this is like a catalog with the products and how to use them. And then this, it almost looks like posters that you can like put in your room if you wanted to. Remember when we used to do that in high school? Put posters in your room. But yeah, super cool. Oh my god, I love this brand. It just looks very cool. Anyways, I continued my routine with the Comeback Kid. This is an instant damage repair treatment, and I actually put this on all my hair. You can actually use this in the shower. Leave it on your hair for like 10 minutes if you want to, 3 to 5 minutes, whatever you want, and then rinse, and you actually don't even have to use a conditioner afterwards. But today I wanted to try the conditioner and the mask in the shower, so I ended up using this out of the shower as a leave-in treatment. So you can use this as a leave-in product as well. So what I did was that I just added a little bit of of this on my hair. I just put maybe about a pea size amount, a little bit more if you want to. And you just put this literally all over your hair. You can put it on your roots, you can put it on your ends. And this is going to repair heat damage over time. So really like this product. It actually gave my hair instant shine. This literally made my hair so soft right away. And this was making my hair so smooth. So I will be using this also before a blowout next time. So stay tuned because I will be using this and this product as well before my blowout, kind of like to prep my hair before my blowout. So this is the Fenty Hair, the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. So I will be using this next time. This is a heat protectant. It protects up to 450, I believe, 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Super nice. But yeah, I will be using this next time. I'm very excited for that. So after this product today, I used the curling products. So let me show you guys what those look like. I first used the Fenty Hair, the Homecurl. So this is a curl defining cream. This felt amazing on my hair. It almost felt like the hair mask. I put a pretty good amount and I didn't have to use that much. Like a little bit goes such a long way with this product. And again, the packaging is so nice. Like they all have like the same like theme going on. The colors are so nice. Like these colors are so beautiful. Just love the packaging like so much. But anyways, I divided my hair into 2 sections and I started with the bottom section. I just spread this with my fingers and then I actually used this brush, which is from Homecurl. It has been going viral on TikTok, so I wanted to buy it and try it out and I really like it. As you can see, these right here help separate the curls and kind of defines the curls as you go. I actually use this as well to do kind of like a slicked back hairstyle and it also worked super well for that. So I will be tagging it down below or linking it down below. I'm so used to saying tagging now on TikTok shop. But anyways, I will be linking that down below. But I think if this is available on YouTube shopping, I will be tagging it as well right here in this video. If not, it will be linked down below in the description box. So I divided my hair, I added this to my hair, and then I just scrunched my hair after I used the brush. And wow, immediately my hair was starting to like bounce back. My curls were starting to come back to life. It is so nice to just take a step back and take care of yourself and take care of your hair, because lately I have been all over the place with this move, guys. Like this is so stressful. So it's finally just super nice to take care of my hair and just pamper myself. So yeah, I really enjoyed using these products. They felt amazing on my hair, amazing on my scalp. Okay, so after the curl cream, I used a gel, which is this one right here. So this is the Fenty Hair, the Jelly Type Stronghold Gel. Also very similar to the other packaging. It's like the same, but just like a little bit smaller. And also with the gel, you don't need a ton of gel. Like with this, a little bit goes such a long way as well. These products smell amazing. They don't smell like super strong, but they smell nice. I don't know how to describe the smell. Maybe like a little bit fruity. I could be so off, but the smell is so good. Let me smell the mask because I feel like the mask is also amazing. But the smell is very light. So I really like that's not like super strong. Sometimes you have products that have scents that are just like, they just like slap you right in the face. They're like so strong, but these are very light. So I really like that. So for the gel, I literally just put that on my hair and then I just scrunched. And right now I'm just letting my hair air dry. As you can see, the curls are just so bouncy. Like they are coming back. I'm so excited. I also just realized how much easier it is to maintain curly hair in the summer. Lately, I have been just leaving my hair natural and it has been amazing. I really like it. So you guys might see some more curly hair videos now in the summer. So stay tuned. It's very nice to leave my hair just natural and then just touch it up with like a little bit of water, some hair cream, and call it a day. So yeah, you will see more curly hair videos in the summer because it just gets too hot. I sweat too much and it's just easier to kind of like leave it like this. So yeah. So Miss Rihanna also sent me some other products that I actually haven't tried yet, but this is more for like the edges and also for like a slicked back look. So she also sent me the Side Stick 3-in-1 Edge Styling Tool and the Controlling Type, which is a hair thickening edge control gel. I like to believe that Rihanna sent me this, that she packed it and everything. I know that's not the case, obviously. But thank you so much, Fenty Hair, for sending me this. I mean, I just feel so special. Like I have never received a package from Rihanna. So thank you. I love Rihanna. So this is like super exciting. When I got this in the mail, I was like, what? I was shocked. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is the brush. Oh my god, it's so cute. You guys see what I mean about the packaging? Look at this. Even this detail right here, like this like rose gold detail, it's so nice. This is very cool for like parting your hair. And then with this, you can also brush it back, the edges. Oh my god, I love this. This is so, so cute. And then this is like a thicker gel for your edges. So let me open this so you guys can see what it looks like. I can try to do my edges, but like I'm just so bad at that. I like to use products like this more for like the slicked back look, but let's try it. Let's try it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and we're just gonna try to brush the edges back. So you can like brush it down and then brush it back. That looks cute. I never do this, but I should do this more often because it looks more like clean. Oh yeah. Love that. Okay, so I probably will use this for the edges again, but I know that I'm gonna use this a lot more for like that slicked back bun. So super excited to be using this. So yeah, I'm just gonna run some errands and I'll be back once my hair is completely dry. So this is what my hair looks like after letting it dry for about 2 hours. It is like 70% dry, but I love how it looks. I mean, look at these curls. Look how they just bounced back. I mean, I am like obsessed. And I feel like my hair looks super moisturized. The gel is actually very strong, by the way. Like it left my hair just a little tiny bit crunchy, so I would maybe use an oil later and just kind of like loosen up the curls just a little tiny bit, like kind of get rid of that cast. But I mean, wow, that gel is actually very strong because you only need a little bit. Like a little bit goes such a long way. But look how it defines my curls. Like all the curls are very defined. I have no frizz, like literally no frizz. I am shocked. I'm actually super excited to be using these products next time when I blow out my hair. So stay tuned. I will be posting that after this video. But yeah, the curls are there. I mean, look at the definition and the bounce. And yeah, my hair actually looks super healthy. So I'm very excited. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.